Guys, dito tayo sa half a century of arts. Pasok tayo guys. Ito yung mga arts nila na ginagawa. Ito half a century of arts. Half a century of arts exhibition is a celebration of the 5 decades of artistic achievement in the Kingdom of Bahrain. In this exhibition, we commemorate and honor artists and artwork that have shaped the cultural landscape of Bahrain. Through this exhibition, we remember the many first awards and achievements of Bahraini art. The art collection predates the official opening of the Bahrain National Museum in 1988. Since the early 70s, the official cultural caretakers have collected artwork from Bahrain artists, team, and effort to preserve and honor the Bahraini arts movement. Since then, the collection has grown to over 5,000 art pieces, including the painting, sculptures, pins, installation, and multimedia works. Every year, the collection grows through commissions, acquisition, and donation. This exhibition celebrates the journey of arts through the past 5 decades by showcasing significant works of arts from the Bahrain National Museum Permanent Art Collection. Yan guys, 1972. 1973. Ayan guys, may mga year pa guys. 1974. 1975. Mga winning arts yan. 1976. 1978. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda, no? Alam, itsura siya ng mga tao sa loob, ano? 1979. Ito. Dito tayo guys. 1980 na to. 1980. May mga year din. 1981. May mga, yung mga arts na yan guys, may mga significant history. Bakit na-form yan, mga history niya guys. Hindi ko nabasahin guys. 1980, yan yun. 1982, The Village, Camille Barakat, yan. 1983, yan. 85, 84 oil on canvas, oil on canvas. 1986, oil on canvas pa rin. 87, oil on canvas. Wow. 88, mixed media on wood. Oh. 89, oil on canvas. 1990, print on paper. 1991, oil on canvas. Magandang gawa naman nito. Oil on canvas pa rin. 1992, gypsum engraving. Ganda. 1993, oil on canvas. Ganda, no? 1994, mixed media. Mixed media. 1995, charcoal and mixed media on paper. Ang ganda. 1997, oil on canvas. 1996, okay. 1998, acrylic on canvas. Oh, galing ah. 1999, linoleum print on paper. Eh, 2000. Ayan. 2001. Ang ganda guys na. 2002. Silk screen print on paper. 2003. Silk screen print on paper. 2004. Mixed media. Ayan guys. Ganda. 2006. Silk screen on paper. Mixed media. Ayan guys. May mga 2008, etching on paper. 2009, angel. Wow, angel. Ayan, tao. 2010, Mixed media on canvas. So 11, charcoal and paper. Ganda. And 12, photographic print. Yan guys, lahat. Dito, parang yung mga picture yata to. Mga picture, old picture. Yan guys. Old picture. Ang dami mga pictures. Yan guys, lahat. Traditional dress, ang ganda. 21. Photographic prints, yan. Audience Choice Award 2019. Ayan. Ito, Brad. Mga libro?
Mga program nila nung...
Mga program nila ito pala. Barrel exhibition, annual. Naka-record pala lahat ito, guys. Yan. Naka-record lahat. Ayan guys. Exhibition lahat. Naka-record yan. Ayan guys. So that's all. Dito naman na side guys ay shop guys. Mga souvenir. Souvenir to guys. Ayan. Ayan. Mga souvenir. Perfume. Ayan yung mga bags nila. Ito yung, ayan, pandikit ng pandikit ng ref. Ang ganda to. One BD. Yan, bili tayo guys. Yan, gusto ko to. Saka ito. Ito, ano to? Handbag hook. DVD. Ito naman. Yan, yung mga traditional notebook nila. Souvenir. Ayan, mga libro guys. Ayan. Nandito, ayan, mga baso. Ayan guys, mga antiques guys. Key holder. Sana mga key holder nila guys. 2BD. Ayan. Ito. Key holder pa rin. Ayan, itong ano. Ayan guys. Mga dress nila. Ayan. Ayan guys. So mga souvenir, mga baso. So bayaran na natin guys ha. Guys, dito na tayo. Nakabili na tayo ng souvenir. Pasok na dito sa Darsin Cafe. May cafe yan pala dito guys. Guys, yan yung kabuuan ng Bahrain National Museum. So, lalabas na kami guys. Doon tayo sa labas magpicturean ulit. Yan guys.